Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle. Consider this triangle is A, B, C. In this triangle, BAC, this angle is 90 degree. And from this point A, there is a perpendicular line on BC. Consider this line is AD. We have given the side length of AB is 6 unit and AC is 8 unit. We have to find the length of AD. At first, find the length of BC by applying Pythagorean theorem in triangle ABC. As this angle is 90 degree, so applying Pythagorean theorem in triangle ABC, we will get BC square is equal to this BC is hypotenuse and this AB as base. So AB square plus height of this triangle AC. So AC square, or this BC square is equal to AB. The length of AB is 6 unit. So 6 and this square plus AC square. AC is 8 unit. So 8 square, or left side BC square is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64, or BC square is equal to 36 plus 64, this is 100. Now taking square root to both sides, we will get BC is equal to square root of this 100. So the length of BC is equal to square root of 100. This is 10. Now the area of triangle ABC, when base is AB and height is AC, then the area of triangle ABC is equal to half times base. Base is AB, so AB times height of this triangle AC. So this is the area of triangle ABC. But the area of triangle ABC, when base considered as BC and height considered as AD, then the area of triangle ABC is equal to half times, then base is BC times, then height of this triangle is AD. And these two are the area of same triangle. So left side is same, so we can write this right side equal. So half times BC times AD is equal to half times AB times AC. So we can write half times BC times AD. This is same as half times AB times AC, because this is the area of triangle ABC and this is also the area of triangle ABC. Now cancelling this half from both sides, we will get BC times AD is equal to AB times AC. So divided both sides by BC, we will get AD. So we can write AD is equal to this AB times this AC divided by this BC. Now substitute the length of AB, AC and BC. We will get AB, this is 6 unit, times AC, this is 8 unit, divided by BC. We have found this BC as 10 unit. So this 10 unit is equal to 6 times 8, this is 48, divided by this 10 is equal to 48 divided by 10, this is 4.8. So the length of this AD is 4.8. AD, this is the length of X, which is 4.8 unit. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.